That is incredible. Oh my God. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. Today we're going to be chasing a few supercars. We're going to go ahead and get the M4 cleaned up and get it ready for the drive. Now, if you guys have seen the last video, we took the M4 on a rally, on a BMW M4 rally with VH2, and we still have the sticker on the car. We can see some of the aftermath of driving this car so many miles. Really dirty. Got a lot of specks up front, a lot of bugs splattered along the front bumper. And look at the brake dust that has accumulated on this car. I mean, that's absolutely disgusting. Even if we come along the back, we got a lot of dust on this car. Sad to see these stickers go. It's my first rally, but it'll be nice to see the M4 clean again. Ooh. Oh, that is satisfying. Look at how clean the car was before. You got the outline of dirt. And now we can see the M4 is washed up a bit. It's not perfect. We pretty much just did a quick spray to get this car much cleaner than it was. You can see the stickers are off the car, pretty much back to normal. So now that it's cleaned up, you can see some of the mods that we've done to this car. If you guys are new to the channel, we've done all the carbon fiber, front splitter, mirrors, side skirts, diffuser as well. That comes with the carbon roof. We also have the 20-inch Blaque Diamond wheels, have aged really well on this car. It's probably one of my favorite wheel setups on any F80. And then we've also done the tail lights. And this one has an AWE track exhaust, so pretty much straight piped. We got that stage 2 tune. We also did the window tint as well. And then we have that Carbontastic LED steering wheel with those shift lights up top and performance trim down low. And then we even have carbon fiber on the shift knobs. So now it's time to dry this thing off real quick, and let's head over to Cars and Connections. It's a beautiful morning out here in Southern California. We're heading out to Cars and Connections out in La Crescenta. They're going to be doing a mini rally from LA all the way up to Solvang, kind of Santa Barbara area. We're not going to be joining them for the full drive. We'll get a chance to see some really cool cars on the road. So it'll be interesting to see what kind of cars actually turned up to this event. Should be everything from exotics, tuners, AMGs, and a whole bunch of M cars as well. Recently we got magnetic paddle shifters from Carbontastic. I mean, how cool is that? It really changed the game as far as shifting in this car. Here we are with the M4 parked up, looking good. It's nice to be back out here in LA. You see we parked up next to Anthony and his beautiful G80 with the Adro kit. Wow, I love the color on it, but look at the interior, got the roll cage in there as well. Back. This is probably my favorite part of the rear end. Jeez, next to that you got Kevin's E92 M3 Lime Rock Edition. We got a chance to drive this car, do a POV on it. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. So over on this whole part of the parking lot is all exotic supercars. In the middle section we have AMGs and M cars, and then over there we have the overflow lot. So just walking through some of these cars. I mean, we have some nice cars here today, including this Aston Martin in white. I believe this is the V12. We'll also look at the interior on these cars. Super plush. And look at the color on this F8. Nice wheel setup, nice body kit on as well. Carbon front splitters, navy blue interior. Has LED shift lights like my car. Huracan is nice, but I haven't seen this new McLaren that many times in person yet. I believe it's the Artura. It looks really good in yellow. Gotta say, these new McLarens have been improving their designs if they weren't bad already. But that rear end looks super futuristic as well. Double exhaust coming out the back. Got some GT3s here. Blue accents on the gray. This is more my speed right here. A Huracan STO in red, man. I love the red color on this car. You really never see them in this color. You usually see them in the purples, the dark colors, but the red really pops. This right here is a GT4 RS with the YSAC pack. Carbon everything. And these cars are amazing. New 7 Series has really grown on me. This thing looks baller. Massive. A nice Sakura orange M4. Man, look how big this Escalade V is. Just next to a regular Tesla. This is the bigger Tesla too. It's the smaller one right there. But this thing is just absolutely massive. This is the V version, so it's got the, I believe, the Corvette engine in this thing. V8 supercharged. Good grief, dude. This color on this 911 Turbo S 992. Man, that is incredible. Some nice cars over here as well. GTR, purple SVJ, and there goes Sasha's M8 competition. You guys know all about that car right there. That thing's amazing. Man, Sasha got the Lamborghini.
Oh, look at that package. Rear package coming off the tip.
Close up on Sasha's Lamborghini. He's got what, 6 different exhaust tips on the back? This thing is nice, man. Front end looks really cool too. Look at this beautiful little kitten in the Ferrari. That is amazing.
Drivers meeting is happening. If you're coming along for the cruise, please come on by. Drivers meeting is happening. Please come on by. We have a lot of cars, a lot of people, a lot of horsepower. I want us to stay safe, drive safe.
Nice. Another GTR owner. That Corvette is so loud and M8 Cobb GTR. Love it. Like this Huracan is the Sheepy Race kit, twin turbocharged. You can hear those turbo spooling. It looks like it has a titanium exhaust as well. Sounds really, really good. Hey!
wanting a cat for a long time. Now I might have to get one for you.
I know, right?
I went on a road trip to Washington and he came home with me.
How you like the shifters?
I like it a lot.
Let's see a downshift. Culling it. Oh, that's sick. All flat gray. Nice rolls. Also, British Racing Green on the 911. And we also have another 911 in black. These classics, SL, old school 3 Series. Oh, that's cool. Nice green McLaren, carbon fiber front end. Ooh, tight. Eye right here, nice GT3, like a navy blue right there. Gotta say, I do like car spotting for passenger seat. Whoa. So here we got the M4 parked up. Now we stopped off in Beverly Hills. And this is pretty much Supercar Central as far as LA is concerned. So we're gonna do some good old-fashioned car spotting near Rodeo Drive. There goes a nice Turbo S Spider, looking good in black. And this is obviously the fashion district too. So you see a lot of nice shopping opportunities down here as well. We got a nice F90 M5 in white. It's tough though, the wheels are curved though. Aside from that, it's clean though. Old school Aston in like a mint green. I love the nice cars hanging on the wall. Porsche, an old SL, and a Ferrari. They even got a Porsche in like a giant size Matchbox box. Little price tag on it. Imagine paying $195 for that. That'd be awesome. Ooh. This is a Huracan Technica. That looks good. I like the combo on it. Gray with the highlighter brake calipers. Gotta say, I really like the new Aston Martin trucks. This one's got a nice sparkly gray paint on it. And here goes the new GT3 RS, like a silver grayish color. Absolutely beautiful. Gotta say, it was really nice driving with all those supercars this morning, but it's so cool in the LA area. You have so many different places to see these kind of cars. Obviously, we prefer to drive with them, but it's also nice finding and stumbling across them in the wild as well. See some of the capabilities of the M4 on some tight, twisty roads. This thing is so accurate. I'm curious if you guys like the AWE more raw deep exhaust setup more. Do you like the equal length? They offer a different mid pipe for this car. It gives it more of a higher pitched tone. Kind of sounds more like an N55. Wow, the views are incredible from up here. Oh my gosh. So that's just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.